Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Drawing a circle using wxPython, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Drawing shapes in graphical user interfaces, GUI, is a fundamental aspect of programming. In this tutorial, you will learn how to draw a circle using wxPython, a popular Python library for creating desktop applications with a native look and feel. By following this step-by-step guide, you will gain a basic understanding of wxPython and how to draw graphical elements in your applications. Prerequisites. Step 1. Setting up your Python environment. Start by importing the necessary